I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Music Theory Tuition series where I work with you step by step through the ABRSM Discovering Music Theory grades. I'll work through every single exercise and explain everything you need to know. You can access information about the books I have available to help you on my website. Go to sharonbill.com. For advert-free and longer lessons, you can become a patron at patreon.com/SharonBill. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated. You can support this channel by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/SharonBill. Let's press on now to page 52 of the Grade 4 Discovering Music Theory workbook. We're continuing with the topic of triads and chords. And so now we've got all of this little extract of music, and it's for us to allocate chord symbols to describe properly the harmonies that are here. And this is quite thrilling actually, because this is the beginning of harmonic analysis. We're now delving into what the composer's done here, and we're seeing which harmonies he's used to construct his compositions. And it's these chords that kind of really flesh out the melodies that are given. And so we have the same process of thinking. We need to be concerned with noticing chords 1, 4 and 5. We're in E flat major. So chord 1 is the tonic is E flat. We'll deal with the rest of the key signature in a moment. So 4, E, F, G, A. And then B is 5. Of course they're flats, but we'll deal with that in a moment. Build your triad, first, third, fifth. First, third, fifth, A, B, C, D, E. First, third, fifth, B, C, D, E, F. And then your key signature here does the work for you, because we know it's B flats, E flats and A flats, but the key signature does all that work for us. And so here we have just 3 notes here, split between the treble and the bass, as if it was a piano style melody. So we have here an A flat, an E flat and a C, which tells us it's chord 4. And so it's for us to now describe this chord here. So this note here is, it's a bit low down, so let's jump up an octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a B flat, an octave lower. And then we have an F, and then we have a D. And so that's everything we need for chord 5. So once you've done this thinking, you can fully describe what's going on in the music. So if you feel that you can, just go ahead and try this remaining 3 questions. Alternatively, just work through this next one with me and then you can take it from there. So we're concerning ourselves with chords 1, 4 and 5. We're in F major, so our tonic, the first degree of the scale is F. F, G, A, B. Of course it's B flat, but your key signature deals with that. And then C. Build your triad, first, third, fifth. We're just going first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Just missing them alternately. So B, D, F, C, E, G. So let's see what we have here. We have an F, a C, an A and a C. So it's duplicated this 5th part of the tonic triad, first, third, fifth. However, it's everything we need to know that it's chord 1, the tonic chord. And then here we have a B, it's B flat of course, an F, a D, an F. That tells us it's chord 4. And then here we have F, F, C, A, chord 1. And so that shows us the chord progression in these particular places. So if you've not done so already, do now move on and try this remaining 2 exercises. and then we can check through them together. Let's do that now. Chords 1, 4 and 5. We're in D minor, so the first degree of the scale is D. D, E, F, G is 4, A is 5. Build your triad. First, D, E, F, G, A. First, third, fifth. G, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E. Now we know that D minor has a key signature of B flat. That's already dealt with. However, we need to remember that the 7th degree of the scale, which always falls in the middle of this chord 5, needs to be raised. We need a C sharp to make that quite correct. And so here we need to describe this chord here, and this here is a clue straight away because it's the raised 7th, which means it must be chord 5. So we have an A, E, C sharp. Yes, we do. And then here we have a G, G, B flat, D. So we have a chord 4 with the G duplicated. And then finishing we have D, F, A, D. D, F, A, D. So we've got the tonic triad with the root note, the tonic duplicated. And then finally we end with C major. So chords 1, 4 and 5. So C is the tonic, the first degree of the scale. C, D, E, F is the 4th. C, D, E, F, G is the 5th. So build your triad. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So first, third, fifth, G, B, D. Building from that note. No sharps or flats. We're in C major. It really is just that. So we have an F, C, F, A. Remembering we're in 2 clefs. We're in bass and treble. So that's chord 4. Now here we have a C, C, E, G. That's our tonic chord 1. And then here we have a G, D, G, B. That's chord 5. And then it seems appropriate to finish on a chord 1, C, C, E, C. Now here, this is interesting. We have a C, C, E, C. Oh, I'm thinking ahead. I'm just thinking what I was going to say then. That's a note C. Notice we've got no note G. There's no 5th, which is note G. However, it has to be chord 1, so the composer's decided he doesn't want that. He doesn't want the full harmony. It's just duplicated 3 home tonic notes and just added the 3rd, the middle of the chord. However, it's enough to tell us it's chord 1 because C and E isn't part of any other chord. Although chord 4 has a C in it, it doesn't have an E in it. So we've enough here to tell us that it's chord 1. And so that's a nice finish to that question and that page also. I hope this is helpful to your studies. Please do like and subscribe to stay updated. If you'd like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee. And for advert-free lessons, you can become a patron. Do visit my website where you'll find many resources available to help you. Visit sharonbill.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.